Hi everyone. So we are going to learn today how to create report RDF report on reports builder, and afterwards we will import that report into our EBS instance, and then we will run that and we will check how the output comes. Okay, so for that reason, first of all, I have created one table and inserted some random datas over there. Okay, after that I have committed them, and then we will check whether it is inserted properly or not. So this is my table and these are the four columns I have created. So we will try to uh, run this as a report in the front end, and we will create one RDF report for this on reports builder. So for this process, for creating RDF report, you will need the report builder application. So this will help you to create your RDF report. Basically, I have created already one report, so I will explain that and give you a broad overview how can you create your own. So for this, when you will come to report builder, there will be multiple options. You want to create it manually or you want to create it with Oracle report builder format. So there will be two options. If you will create Oracle builder format, so in that option you will get into the uh, it will automatically ask you to which table you want to show in your report, and then you will click the selected columns, and then automatically Oracle report builder will create one report basic report for you on that table. So you can use that one or you can use this one also. So in this first of all you have to uh, go into data model. So in the data model, first thing is like you have to put the query. So for putting your query, SQL query, you have to click it over here and you can stretch like this and just leave it. So here you can put your SQL query. So you can put over here your query like this. So it will automatically take the your query and create the means it will automatically fetch your query. For this, you first of all, if you are not connected with your database, then it will show you to connect with database. Like I am creating one more, so you can see over here. So you can connect from here if the your database is not connected. Otherwise, you will get this option on reports builder. From here, you can connect to your database. Okay. So right now we will clear this one. So like this you can create your own query and afterwards you can work on that. So I'm clearing this also. So this one I have created for the report. So this is the basic query I have wrote. We can write over here the parameters also, and we can work on that thing also. Sorry. So basically if I have to work on multiple windows, so I can switch window from here, object navigator, and my report editor data model. Okay, so if I am working on multiple, if you will work on multiple windows, so you can switch windows from here rather than you will close this and again click to multiple tabs. So you can switch the tab from here only. So here multiple things are there. First of all, you will create one data model. After then, you will create paper layout. As you can see, paper layout over here also. Okay. So paper layout is given over here also. You can create it from here also. Otherwise you can create it from here also, directly clicking to this thing. So after clicking to paper layout, you you just have to create first the text name over here, and then you can create, means first of all you have to come over here, repeating frame. So basically it is like one frame which will repeat. It works like loop. This sign, arrow sign, is for repeating frame, and normal frame is like without any arrow sign. Over here you can see. So first of all you have to create repeating frame, this one, from here. So when you will drag, automatically one repeating frame bar will be created. Inside that you can create multiple things and do multiple things, but right now we are focusing on this. So I will click over here, and first of all we will create repeating frame. After that we will double click on this, or we can click on F4. So we will get into the properties of this repeating frame. So repeating frame name is R1. We can change it as per our use, but right now I am using the default one given by Oracle. Okay, so after this we have to select the source GEMPID. It comes from where? We can see it over here, data model. When we will create our data model, automatically it means it picks the first column and writes G in front of them, that, and creates one source. So while we will double click over here, after creating repeating frame, we have to change the source over here. And another thing, we have to change the vertical elasticity. It will expand automatically as the records will come. It will expand automatically. So this is its works. So after this we will create one normal frame from here. As you can see, frame written over here. So we will create one normal frame inside that, and for this normal frame we will double click over here, and we can check vertical elasticity will be expand. It will be defaultly on contract or fixed, so we have to change this to expand. And after that we have to create fields. So for creating fields we have to come up here, field. So after clicking over here we will drag 1 2 3 4 like this, and we can create multiple fields from here. We can copy field by clicking Ctrl C Ctrl V. We can copy paste also one field multiple times. So after clicking and creating 4 fields, I have created 4 because I am having 4 columns over here, you can see. So 4 fields. After creating 4 fields, you have to double click over here, and you can change the name as per your use, because in multiple scenarios are there. So in that means multiple columns are there, so you can give your column name over here also, so that you can check from overview only that it belongs to which column, this field belongs to which column. You can check from overview. So that's why you can change name over here. After that you have to create the source. You have to change the source, means it is employee ID, this field is showing employee ID. So like this you have to change the source also. After this you have to create the expand the vertical elasticity also. After this, like this you will create another one. You can see it over here in properties. You can create another one, source and name. and like this you can create another one. So I have created four. So these are the four fields and columns I have created. So after this, if you want to check and compile, is your report working, running well or not, you can compile it from here and check whether it is giving any error or not. Another thing, you can run paper layout from here, so you can see how your records will see in the front will look in the front end. Okay, so these are our records. So after doing all these things, you have to save this. You can save it from here, or you can use save as and save it on any location. So right now I have saved in the desktop, as you can see over here. So after creating all this, you have to go to WinSAP. Yeah, so after that you will come to WinSAP, and this is the navigation provided by my team. So there will be some DBA or your team members who will provide you where you have to put your reports and forms. So they will provide you this uh, navigation. So if you want to change anything, you can double click it over here, and right now I will let it be where it is. Okay, so after this I will, this is my desktop, so I will move this to our instance from WinSAP. So after moving this to our instance, wait, so after moving this into your instance, you have to come in EBS front end. Wait just a second. After this you have to come to your front end, and you can see over here I came into responsibility application developer. So in the application developer you can expand this concurrent program. First of all, you have to create executable. So my executable name is this. So I will click on F11, Control V, then Control F11 will search that executable which I have created. So this is my executable, this is my file name which I have imported from WinSAP to my instance. So after that I will create, I will choose this to Oracle reports. Yeah, so after this I will save this and copy the short name. After this my program, I come into program F11 for searching, Control V, Control F, and after this we can see this is our program. So we will create one program like this. We have to change this one to A4 or any as per our use. So yeah, after this we will save this, Control S, and we will close this. So wait, so after saving this we have to choose one application in this application responsibility. So in this application responsibility we have to assign our concurrent program. So basically we have to move from this responsibility to our SYS system administrator. When we will come up over here, then we have to come to security, then responsibility, then first of all we have to come in define. So we what is our this is our application, control F1. So this is our application developer object library. So we will copy the request group name. After this we will come into request F11, control V, control F11. This is human resource application. Second one is when when we will click in down arrow, then we will come to this, and this is our application. This is group, responsibility application group we can say. So over here, as you can see, I have given my program name. By clicking over here plus, we can add one new row, and we can put our program name over here, and we can save. We have to save. Okay, after saving over here, we will again go back to our application developer, and from here we can run the request, submit new request, copy previous one as I have run it earlier. Okay, submit. No, find. So it will take some time. Wait. Yeah, so we can go into output, and we can check whether it is working fine or not. We can make some multiple means some, no, some means we can make multiple changes as per our use, and this is a basic report I have created. We can do a lot more in this. So this is the basic one right now. So like this you can create your owns, and for this thing please pardon me, and you can create your owns, and please try and practice. So okay, thank you, have a nice day.